Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kezia. Today we're going to be talking about this synthetic wig from Janet's collection, the Gabriela wig. This is part of the extended part lace-based deep part wig, 100% premium fiber. Could this be the best synthetic wigs under $30? Could this be a member of the series? Let's find out today. Okay, so that's the wig that I have, and I believe it's in the color 1. So I was actually sent this hair to review. Shout out to Janet. So this says it's supposedly heat resistant. We're gonna find out today, girls. We gonna find out together. Synthetic wigs come with a lot of packaging. So this is the parting. So that is a pretty deep parting space. It has combs here, combs. It has a comb on the bottom. And that's what the hairline is looking like. Will it focus? This looks like a body wave texture. Rip that off. Okay. Wow. It's looking a little crazy right now, but I feel like we can make it work. I'm gonna clear out this space here. Now, I must give it to them because it does look very natural and realistic. That's actually smart. There's a comb right here, and and another one over here. So it's gonna keep that wig really secured because a lot of people be missing some edges, myself included. And usually wigs like this they have the combs on the side. So it's literally gonna be so secure, it's not gonna go anywhere. Okay, what do I wanna do? Extended part, eh? Okay, I have to be honest, this is definitely not a style that I would typically go for, but let me know, like it's giving me SZA vibes. What does it need? I don't know what it needs. Does it need anything? She definitely looks like human hair. She doesn't look synthetic. Should I cut this part? Okay, well this is how the wig looks out the package. She's definitely cute. It's just something that I would have to get used to. And it says she's like heat resistant. I really want to see if that's true. Okay, so I have my hot comb on the lowest setting and it didn't burn the hair. So that's good. I have now my flat iron on the lowest setting. Should we test it? Okay, my flat iron is probably still too hot. For that fiber, oh, now that piece is jacked up. Look at it. Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna cut that off. It looks messed up. I think what I want to do is apply some foundation. So I think I'm going to do some concealer. Should I pluck? I think I'm going to pluck a few strands here. Where's my other tweezer? The lace and the knots look pretty good. It's just right there. Right at the front, I feel like it has too much hair. We're gonna slay this wig and make it part of the family, I'm hoping. See, I just removed some of the lace right there. Okay, she's already looking more realistic. This is what she's looking like, and she is big, honey. Oh my goodness. When you stretch it, it does get longer. It's like magic. Look, see, it can be shorter, and all you gotta do to make it longer is just go like that. She's instantly longer. I feel like there's too much hair right here. I'm gonna take a few pictures and then come back and maybe we'll cut this wig. Comment below what you guys think of this wig right now, the way that it is. Do you think this deserves to be in the category of best wigs under $30? Let me know below. She's definitely cute. Let's spray her down a bit. I'm gonna leave all the information for this wig, you guys, in the description box below. The hair looks really good. Like, it definitely looks like it's human hair. Let me know if you think this should be added to the best under 30 for synthetic hair. The texture, I would say, is spot on. Like, it really does mimic Brazilian body wave texture. So my final thoughts on this synthetic wig is it's cute. It's very big, and I think if it was longer in general, I would be more into it, or maybe just like a blunt cut. I don't want to cut it and then regret it, you know? Should I? Yeah, let's cut this wig. Go big or go home. Already that looks better. Am I tripping? Tell me what you guys think. Does that not look better than this part? I'm gonna go ahead and cut that off as well. And yes. But don't forget about the back. Okay, she can be invited. What do you guys think? I like it more like this. Now that I cut some of that dead weight off, I'm still on the fence. This is the wig, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it fun or helpful. Comment below your thoughts about this wig. I gotta go, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.